What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a special request review of the Nendoroid Minato Namikaze. So this is an older release. This was released last year, August, and the SRP was around 5,000 yen. This one I bought from a store in Shopee called Checkout Zone. I'm gonna put their links on the description of this video. And I got this for only 1,750 pesos. Of course, I used some vouchers to lessen that, but that's their price. You can check them out. I think they are having a sale for today, which is May 15th. Sorry. Anyway, here's the front of the box, the side, the other side, the top, the bottom, and the back. Now let's open this. By the way, if you've been watching my channel, it's obvious that I'm using a different setup because my usual white background excuse me, was ripped apart. It's only made of paper. So I kept forgetting to buy a new one, and since I have this desk mat, I decided to do my review of this in this setup. So if you like this better than the one I'm using, please tell me in the comment section. If you want my older setup, again, tell me on the comment section. So here we have the manual. There. Alright, so here is Minato on his default look. Hold on, let me open my ring light so we can get a better view. Is this better? I think it's too bright. Let me adjust it a bit. I think this is better. Again, this is Minato on his default look. Let's give him a little spin here. So first up, he has this winking faceplate. He has an angry faceplate. He has an extra set of arms with both gripping hands. He has an extra forearm that has a Rasengan attached to the hand. He has a special kunai and an extra pair of that special kunai, but these two are smaller than the first one. He has an extra hand. This is for the special kunai. Later on, we're gonna try all his accessories. He has a pair of bended legs, but it's different. One is much more bent than the other one. And lastly, of course, he has the stand. It comes with a generic connector, a smaller connector, a smaller base, and of course, an extra neck pin. Now we're gonna try some of his accessories, starting with the faceplate. So let's try the angry faceplates. You also have the winking faceplates. And now let's try his extra arms. Let's start with the Rasengan arm here. So you can just pull the forearm and then attach it to the sleeve like that. And then let's try the extra arms. So these are gripping hands, or these arms has the gripping hands. And then we can make them hold the smaller special kunais. There. So I mentioned earlier that these kunais are smaller than this. If you're gonna compare the size, they are this different. Now let's try the hand that is using, or that's supposed to be for this kunai. Get it right here. This is for the left arm. So it's like that because you're gonna hook the ring of the kunai here. Oh shit. It's taken. Let's see. Oh, okay. So I'm wrong. The smaller kunais are actually for this ring finger, or this hand. Wait, let's try a different arm. It looks so awkward. So this is the good thing about Nendoroids. You can mix and match all their accessories. Oops. Let's get that away. So you can use the bendy, or the bended arm from the other bended forearm, I mean, from the other arm, and then use it like this. So I think the bigger kunai, this one, is for when he is like throwing this, where, or in which we can use this stand. Wait, I saw this in the manual. Hold on, give me a sec. Yeah, it should fit. It says here. Why are you not fitting right now? So it's something like that. So you put it on a stand, make him look like he's throwing the kunai, and then attach the stand to the kunai. Also, there is a pair of extra legs here that we can use, or we can try. They come with their own joints, so let's just use those as is. Let's remove these first. So one is bended like that, and the other one is hyper bended. I don't know if that's a word, but that's how they look. So that's it for today's review. What do you guys think of my new setup? Do you like it, or do you like my previous one better? Please put it in the comment section so I'd know. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can see more contents coming from me. And as always, you guys stay safe and have a good day.